Hi, I'm Willie with the Basement Kings. We're in Lone Oak, Texas, where we're working on a project, and we're putting in our exterior French drain. Now, the reason I'm shooting this video is because it's different. We already put in our French drain, and if the French drain is in and you have massive amounts of rain, let me tell you and show you what you're going to find. See all this rock? All this rock fell out of the side. See it out of the hill? All this outcropping, all of this fell down. So what it did was it put mud all in our drains. You can see how much mud that collapsed in. So what do you do in that situation? What you do is you do it the hard way. You take out your plumbing. Do not leave it in and let it fill up with mud and then expect that it's all going to wash out into your drain. Now, some people don't do it, but we put in cleanouts. So even though we put in cleanouts, we still want to make sure our drains are clear. So what I'm showing you now is you can see how rocky it is. Now we've taken them out. We're going to measure our ground. You see it? See that quarter bubble? That's what we consider a quarter bubble. It's touching the black line. If the bubble is touching on the back, then that means your trench is sloping this way. So you will have to decide right off the bat, where do you want it to go? And we want ours to fall this way. So our bubble is on the back and it's rolling this way. We're going to check our trench all the way across this entire area and make sure that our bubble is at least touching this black line. And if it's too far back, we're going to raise it up. We'll take more dirt and we'll raise it up in here and we'll build it up until it's right about in here, or maybe even more. After we build it up and we know where we want our bubble, then we will level it off and we'll say, oh, it's just right, long as it's touching the back. And it is just that tedious at the beginning when you're doing it, because you want to make sure that that bubble is tilting downward, just like here. So what we're going to do is we're going to test all of it, and then when it's right, then we're going to put our gravel in, and then we will re-slope it again and make sure it's all right. But doing it right the first time is very important, because if your drains are flat or level or tilted the wrong direction, the water will not roll where you want it to go. So do it right the first time. This is Willie with the Basement Kings.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.